Hey guys, it's Masa and I'm going to be showing you guys how to paint a super cute painting in less than 5 minutes. So for this painting I have an 8x10 surface and I have my brushes. My first brush is a flat brush and I also have my paint colors here. I have white, blue, red, and black. That's all you need. I'm going to dip my first brush in some blue. And I'm going to look at my beautiful canvas here and I'm just going to draw a line from here to here about 1/3 up from the bottom of the canvas, and we're just going to go and paint it just like this. Now while we're doing this, keep track of the time, okay? So this is going to be our beautiful lake. Then I use the same brush without washing it. I'm going to dip it in some more blue, and this time I'm going to grab some red on my brush. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to start filling out the top part of my canvas just like this. And we're going to keep going. More blue, more red, and some white. And as we get closer to the lake down here, I'm just going to grab more red and white. And as I mentioned, less and less and less blue. But at the same time, you want to go and you want to make sure that everything is nicely blended. Super cute. Cover the sides, blend everything in. Do the same thing here. There you go. Awesome. If you have a blow dryer handy, grab it. We're just going to run it for a few seconds. And this is good to go, and we are at 2 minutes and 31 seconds, so we're doing pretty good. Now, the next is we're going to grab my medium brush. This is my medium brush, it's round. Then I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to come up from this line, about an inch or so here. Bring it to the middle of this line, and then bring it all the way down to the side, just like this. And we can curve it up. And we're going to fill in this whole area in black. Beautiful. Next, I'm going to grab another round brush, and this is slightly smaller than the other one, and this one I'm going to dip it in some white, and I'm going to come here and do a beautiful moon. Going back, using the same brush that I just used to do my moon, I'm going to dip my brush in some more black, and I'm just going to come here and add some grass. A little bit more here. Grabbing a little bit more white and just adding more highlights to my grass. A little bit more here. Add some streaks here. And there you go. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. You have a cute little painting. It is perfect to make a card for any occasion. You can gift it to anybody you like, or you can just keep it for yourself. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care.